Welcome to the BiomedRx Institute, where education meets innovation in healthcare technology management. Since 1996, the BiomedRx Institute has been at the forefront of biomedical education and training. Starting in Miami, Florida, we've empowered technicians and healthcare professionals across the Caribbean and Latin America, offering courses in both English and Spanish. Our mission is to provide world-class training in biomedical equipment maintenance and healthcare technology management. This includes repair, preventive maintenance, calibration, electrical safety inspections, and even equipment upgrades and modifications. We prepare our students to pass certification exams in fields like Certified Biomedical Equipment Technician, CBET, Certified Laboratory Equipment Specialist, CLES, Certified Radiology Equipment Specialist, CRES, Certified Healthcare Technology Manager, CHTM, and more. At the BiomedRx Institute, education doesn't just stop in the classroom. Our students have direct access to job opportunities, working for BiomedRx or one of the subsidiaries in the BiomedRx International Service Network. This means your journey from student to professional is seamless. We're not just about education. The BiomedRx Institute is also engaged in research and development, paving the way for new biomedical technologies and the upcoming BiomedRx line of medical and lifestyle-enhancing devices. Emerging medical equipment manufacturers also use the BiomedRx Institute to train service professionals on their products. And through our international service network, we provide field service operations for these manufacturers worldwide. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to advance your skills, the BiomedRx Institute is your gateway to a rewarding future in healthcare technology management. Are you ready to take the first step toward an exciting career? Send us an email to express your interest in joining the BiomedRx Institute. Let us help you achieve your professional goals. We're also looking for experienced professionals passionate about teaching. If you have expertise in biomedical equipment maintenance, imaging, laboratory, or healthcare information technology, we'd love to have you as part of our instructional team. Send us an email to learn more about teaching opportunities. The BiomedRx Institute, where your future in healthcare technology begins. Join us today.